spirituality, and well-being. How it can help us find meaning and purpose in challenging times. Spirituality is a powerful force that is constantly evolving in our world. It is no longer relegated to an ancient traditions or obscure practices. Instead, it has become a dynamic and multifaceted aspect of modern life that touches every aspect of our existence. The diverse ways in which spirituality manifests itself in the contemporary world offer a fascinating glimpse into how it influences people's belief, values, and behavior. The evolution of spirituality in our time is a positive development that can help us all find meaning and purpose in our lives. Spirituality has the potential to impact our lives in a various ways. It can give us a sense of purpose and meaning, help us find inner peace and contentment, guide us in making important life decisions, and give us direction. Spirituality can help us cope with difficult situations and provide us with hope and resilience during challenging times. Spirituality can profoundly impact our mental, emotional, and physical well-being and help us live more fulfilling and meaningful lives. The evolution of spirituality from ancient traditions to contemporary practices. Spirituality has been an essential element of human civilization since ancient times. It is a complex and multifaceted concept deeply ingrained in human culture from the earliest indigenous communities to the great civilization of Greece, Rome, Egypt, India, and Africa. The evolution of spirituality is a fascinating, intricate subject that spans various cultures, beliefs, and practices. It reflects humanity's changing needs and aspirations and has adapted and transformed over time to meet those needs. Spirituality encompasses many beliefs, practices, and traditions that have shaped human consciousness throughout history. It has been associated with the natural world, various spiritual entities, and the divine. It has taken the form of rituals, ceremonies, meditative practices, and has been expressed through music, art, and literatures. Various factors, including social, political, and economic changes, and technological advancements, shaped the evolution of spirituality. For instance, globalization has led to the spread of spiritual ideas and practices across different cultures. Same time, technological advancements have given rise to new forms of spiritual expression, such as online community and virtual meditation. Spirituality is a rich and complex subject that has significantly shaped human culture and consciousness throughout history. Its evolution reflects humanity's challenging needs and aspirations and continue to evolve and transform even today. Differences between modern spirituality and traditional religious framework. Modern spirituality differ from traditional religious frameworks in offering a more flexible and personalized approach to spiritual exploration. While religion involves following specific doctrines, rituals, and institutions, spirituality is more fluid. Spirituality and religion are often used interchangeably, but have distinct differences. Religion generally refers to an organized system of beliefs, practices, and rituals that a group shares, usually involving a higher power or deity. It typically has a set of rules, doctrines, and traditions that its followers adhere to. On the other hand, spirituality is often more personal and individualistic. A broader concept refers to an individual's connection to something greater than themselves. This can include a connection to nature, the universe, or a higher power, but it doesn't necessarily involve specific beliefs or practices. While religion often involves an organized system of beliefs and practices, spirituality is a more personal and individual experience encompassing a more comprehensive range of beliefs and practices. Synthesizing spiritual paths, embarking on a journey of self discovery and enlightenment. In today's age, modern spirituality has become widely known for its inclusivity and acceptance of diversity. People seeking spiritual growth and development now have access to many teachings, practices, and traditions from all parts of the world. Individual can embark on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment by exploring and synthesizing various spiritual paths through practices like yoga, meditation, or New Age philosophies. This section celebrates the richness and diversity of contemporary spiritual expression, highlighting how different cultures, traditions, and wisdom teachings can contribute to the tapestry of human spirituality.